Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to clean this shoe. It's disgusting using eucalyptus oil, which is from the first shoe so far. Start by mixing eucalyptus oil with water. So basically, you just dip the water with eucalyptus. Start scrubbing. This mud has been on my shoes for about 2 years. I really needed to wear them out again, but so I haven't needed to clean them. So they've been stuck on my shoe for like 2 years now. Look at how easy that's come off so far.
You missed them a lot.
Okay, there's just like half and half
What's your reason for being
in the front.
here?
I'm gonna finish.
What happened yesterday?
So the stuff on the heel is a little bit more harder to get, so I'm just gonna put
Sorry.
some pure eucalyptus oil
I stopped the other guys from killing you because they didn't trust you.
on it.
Since you saved my life, from the
There
last
we
time,
go.
we're even now.
Just all gone.
If you do that again, you're out.
Okay, so here they are. Perfectly clean, show in the light. They're basically completely clean except for a few scuff marks that are just ruined on the shoe. Perfect.